Hello, here's a short video about how to make your own video slider. This is the one I made. As you can see, smooth in operation. The bottom half of the screen is showing a clip I made using it. For that clip, I set my camera at 1080p and 120 frames per second. That way you can slow it down in editing software and get that smooth, silky cinematic effect. And that's where a slider comes in handy, because if you don't have something that's smooth, you'll see every jiggle and every bump. So I'm going to go through how I made it, and I'll keep it very brief so you can just go ahead and get started on your own. So there's the rails. The rails are just a PVC pipe, 3/4 inch pipe in diameter, and I cut it at 52 inches long because that's what fits my desk here. You can make it any length you want. I ripped that PVC pipe on a table saw, and you're going to need a table saw, I would say. There's really no other way to get a nice clean cut. From there, I needed something to mount the rails on, a platform, and these outlet boxes are just the thing. They're cheap, they have pre-drilled holes. These ones are 4 inches by 4 inches. You could probably get by smaller, doesn't really matter. And then I picked up these little straps called mending plates. They have pre-drilled holes too, which make them very handy. And I just put 2 to a box with machine screws and nuts and attached everything. And guess what? We're halfway done. Obviously you need a platform for the camera to run on. So for that I used just a single gang box, which again is very cheap. I drilled 4 holes in the bottom, and I put these shower door wheels which have ball bearings and are ultra smooth. And I used a machine screw for an axle. I've got some spacers and a couple nuts just to keep the width correct and keep it from wiggling around too much. So then I put 2 plates on top of each other with spacers. These plates are just for the outlet boxes, nothing special. And then I've got a knob in the middle there that is 1/4 inch and will fit your camera or a release plate. And that's what I did. I used a release plate. And then on the bottom, I put these pads, which I think they were 3M brand, and they're anti-skid pads. They're actually really nice for when you want to move your slider and not move the whole rig. And they add a little bit of cushion, and I like the 3M brand because they're extra sticky. Make sure you're putting it where you want because they're hard to get off. So that's it. We're done. I hope you try this project. If you do, leave me a comment and let me know how it turned out. Why did I build a slider? Because I'm about to start posting videos of reveals, reviews, and mystery solved. So please subscribe and get this channel up and going. Thanks for watching, and good luck making your own slider.